Alright, so I don't know how many of y'all know, but I have a channel where I do tech reviews just called Devon, and that channel is almost about to hit 20k subscribers, and I think the plan for today is to try to revive that channel, put some life back into it, become active on it again and do tech reviews. And the reason why, I'll tell you a little later in this video. It's very superficial, but it's time we start tech reviews again. Not sure exactly why this cupboard keep popping open. Like, I'm trying to do a video, you need to relax yourself. Alright, so as you can tell, since I have not been doing tech videos, this desk is a little bit dirty. So we need to kind of get this back to where it's video ready. Wow, I'm so ashamed showing you all this. Let me see, what's the most embarrassing things I have here? I'm hiding my credit card so y'all can see that. We have deodorant. This is my deodorant. Link below in the description. Just kidding, don't look for that link. We have some intestine beard balm. More on that soon. We have our old Galaxy S6. We have an Apple Watch. Perfume. We need to clear this up now. A few seconds later, it opened again. Like, what the actual hell? So hard to see. There we go. That's more like it. It's a little more tech video background ready. You wanna know where all the mess went? Right here. And I could guarantee you, as soon as the video finished shooting, the mess gonna go back right there. That's problem for future Devon. Yeah, I think we should be safe there. This looking even relatively good. We'll see. You see, life would have been so much easy if I had like a specific setup where it's just to sit and record. But every single tech video is a bunch of setup, and it's kind of a hassle, and that's kind of why I don't be too zealous to do it anymore, because it's just too long of a setup. But we're stopping that today. Today we're becoming active on that channel again, for sure. That's you all there, and this is me here, so now I can see myself right there to make sure the angle's all perfect and nice and impossible to show you at the same time, so just understand that I'm watching myself on a monitor. So you see this was happening right here now. This is what you should not do. Mid shooting my video, I decide to just get carried away and watch videos on Instagram. Don't do this, don't be like Devon. Alright, back to shooting the video. 5 hours later, video shot, edited, and we exported now. A little bit nervous, I don't know how much views it'll get. I do have much hope, but we'll see. Whew! Moment of truth. 19.6k subscribers, didn't touch it in 8 months. We're gonna put the video live now. Publish. Done. Expecting the views to trickle in very, very slowly. I don't even know if they'll put videos out on people's subscription feed from this channel, but we'll see. Alright, so I didn't check the views or anything yet. I just tweet out the links. I post them on Instagram, I post them on Facebook. We're gonna click the link here right now. See how much views we have and see if people actually interacting. Time to see if the channel dead or not. Alright, we have a little 37 views already. We have 13 thumbs ups. We have 5 comments. Not bad. 3 days later, we have 3.3k views, which is not that bad. Not bad at all. I actually thought the channel was completely dead, but we still have some activity there. So we're going to be very, very, very much active on the tech channel. Again, so if you're interested in tech, go check it out. youtube.com/DevonXCut. We're going to be posting tech videos. This video I just posted was my top jailbreak tweaks on iOS 13.5. If you're somebody who jailbreak your phone, you should enjoy it. Go check it out, but that's enough. Alright, so time to talk about why I'm reviving the channel. The whole reason I'm reviving the channel. So, a little backstory. I used to do tech reviews. I actually started YouTube because I love doing tech reviews, and then I kind of fade off of tech reviews because I stopped enjoying it as much, and I started doing the vlogs, and the vlogs are so much fun. But the big thing was that the tech review channel, most of the viewers were from the US, and the vlog channel, most of the viewers are here in Trinidad, and that's actually a big problem with regards to AdSense and YouTube earnings and stuff. Viewership from the US just gives you a higher CPM. So let me give you an example. So we're in the creator studio for Devon XCut 2, which is this channel, the vlog channel. Not the tech channel, the channel where most of the viewers are from Trinidad. And you can see we currently have 12,107 subscribers. We have 44,000 views. We have 3.4 thousand hours watch time. And the revenue is $6.26, which I think should be more. But that's what we have right now. But if you swipe across to the tech channel, you can see we have 19,681 subscribers. We have 9.2 thousand views, which compared to the original 44,000 views is almost nothing. And you can see the watch time in hours is 269.7, which compared to the 3.4 thousand is almost nothing. And the revenue is over $10, $10.97 for a fraction of the views compared to the vlogs, which the viewers are all Trinidad. And the next big thing is tech videos are kind of evergreen. So if you make a video like my last video was jailbreak tweaks, 2 years from now, jailbreak tweaks are still relevant. However, if I upload a vlog today, 2 years from now, how much people are going to watch that vlog? How much people are going to care about that vlog? They'll just watch the one vlog you have. And if you're somebody who watches your channel a lot, you would subscribe, you'll watch the vlog, you'll wait for the next vlog, and you'll watch it again. It's kind of tough to find or access new viewers unless you're doing epic stuff and stuff that just outside and will actually give people a reason to subscribe and find your videos in the first place. However, with the tech videos, if I do an iPhone review today, 2 years in the future, somebody want to just, see if an iPhone 10 still would buy in 2020, they can search iPhone 10 review, they can find my review that I did 2 years ago. So it still have some kind of relevancy. The same thing with jailbreak tweaks. It's just videos that you can actually do some search engine optimization on and get discovered from people who don't even know who you are. Whereas vlogs, you have to kind of know who I am. You have to know my vlogs to be able to discover it. However, with the tech videos, people who have no idea who I am could actually find me on YouTube search. And that's the next big reason why I actually prefer the tech channel with regards to growing and stuff. However, I'm not saying that the vlogs is not way more fun to shoot. Alright, so let me make this, let me go a little bit deeper into this and I could show you just how bad things are with regards to Trini views versus US views. Alright, so yeah, in the analytics of the videos on the tech channel. So we're gonna ignore this million view video. If you want to know more about that on the earnings and stuff and how I did that video, I have a whole video on that specific video. I'll leave it in a card somewhere above here if I remember. But scrolling down, we have a MacBook Pro RAM upgrade, which have 45,000 views currently. And we get $179 from that. For 45,000 views, we have $179. Now if you jump across to the analytics from the vlog channel, Trini viewers, let me look for our video. Look, this video have 109,000 views. $9.72 compared to 45,000 views, $179. So videos that surround tech and those kind of stuff just have a higher CPM compared to vlogs and entertainment. They kind of, I don't know why the CPM is higher, but I guess companies would bid more on ads for those type of videos versus just vlog and entertainment, because people who are watching tech videos are more inclined to click or be interested in or buy something that you talk about, because that's why they're watching the video, for that specific reason. Whereas you're watching the vlogs for entertainment, you're not necessarily going to buy something that you see on an ad, you're just there for entertainment. And that's a big reason why I was motivated to start back reviving this tech channel and doing more stuff, because I was actually going through the videos, looking at the earnings with regards to views compared to the vlog channel, and it's just so much more valuable. Views are just so much more valuable on the tech channel. Let me just scroll a little further down and compare it a little more. Here we have a video with, let me look for like a relatively normal video. So we have a video with 7,000 views here. $17.53 for 7,000 views. Now if you swipe across, you have a relatively okay video here, 8,700 views, $6.99, with actually more views. So we have 7,000 views, $17, 8,000 views, $7. You see, it just, I don't even know how to explain it. Views are just more valuable on the tech channel because people, it's more of a niche content channel. So people watch it for tech at the CPM higher. So essentially, yeah, we just start back reviving this channel because we want to make more money. Obviously, I'm not saying that this is the only way to make money. There are many more ways to make money on YouTube, and if you're interested in that, you can check out my book Pursuing YouTube in the Caribbean at devonexcott.com/book, and you can also get merch at devonexcott.com/shop. But they have much more ways to make money on YouTube. So for example, if your YouTube AdSense isn't popping, so for example, the vlog channel is nothing compared to the tech channel with regards to views versus money made, you can actually do brand deals, you can do merch, you can do stuff that actually intertwines with the content you make and give people value to where they would actually purchase something. So for example, the merch we have at devonexcott.com/shop on this channel is not just merch, we throw a logo on something and we just are telling you buy it. It's kind of more of a movement. What Extraordinary represents is somebody who not necessarily afraid to think outside the box, who not afraid to do everything in an extraordinary manner. You don't just go and do random stuff, you be outside the box. When somebody tells you can't do anything, you could do it, because the number one thing I heard when I started YouTube is, yo, you cannot do YouTube, there's no future for YouTube in Trinidad, and I just proven everybody wrong. And it's very nice, and I want everybody to have that mindset. If somebody tell you cannot do something, prove them wrong, do it and be successful. And that is what Extraordinary Wear is. That's what it stands for. So it's not just throwing logos on a t-shirt or a joggers and trying to sell you all it. It's just kind of giving you that mindset. Every time you wear that t-shirt, every time you wear that joggers, you have like a visual reminder, and you're wearing a actual physical tangible reminder that you should grind, you should prove everybody wrong, and you should be successful. And that's what extraordinary wear is. And that's just one thing. That's merch. Then you could do brand deals. Companies would want to work with you to promote stuff, and that is actually a little bit better on the tech channel as well, because again, like I said, it's more niche content, so tech companies would definitely reach out to you once they see a video. However, for people to find your vlogs and want to do brand deals, it's kind of difficult for them to discover you. However, it isn't impossible, but something with a niche audience is just a little more valuable to advertisers and stuff. That's just been my experience. I'm not saying that's a fact, that's just the experience I had. But yes, there are a lot of ways to make money on YouTube, but the reason we're reviving the tech channel, the big channel, because it just have more of a future in terms of making money. It's just another form of income basically. We just have the tech channel there. We enjoy making the tech videos still, but we enjoy making the vlogs a little more. So we continue with the vlogs and we activating the tech channel. So if you're interested in tech, if you want to see tech videos, go check it out, youtube.com/Devon Scott. This is the channel I started YouTube with. Also, I started a subreddit, so if you want to roast me or you just want to post stuff you think could be funny and make me laugh, post it on r/Devon Scott. I'll do videos reacting to them, doing try not to laugh challenge based on the stuff you guys post. I was just thinking of a way to be a little more interactive with you guys and make videos that include you and not just make normal videos. And I tried Facebook, I tried Instagram, and they all have limitations, but Reddit, anybody could join. You could post any type of content, and it's easy for me to just scroll through everything in one place and do everything. So yeah, r/Devon Scott, check it out. Try not to roast me too much. It already started people roasting me. But that's basically it. Thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you get some kind of value out of it. And if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel or anything like that, let me know your ideas below in the comments. And definitely don't even ask if you should do it. Start doing it today. Start doing it right now. Even if you're horrible at it, just do it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.